On the afternoon of February 4, 2022, local police and park security were escorting a disorderly and intoxicated guest off of park premises at Universal Studios Volcano Bay Water Park in Florida. The following shows the live footage of what happened during the incident.
Just do me a favor, make sure you don't give my guys a hard time when you're going like this.
Yeah, I'm not.
I can't promise that.
Okay. All right, well, I'll go with it.
Yeah, that's fine. Just make sure can't answer something else checks over you.
Just to let you know I got my camera on. So.
10-4, 30.
Sir, to your right. Sir, Mr. Evans.
Echo 2 for Alpha.
Echo 2 for Alpha.
Yeah, I thought it was.
JB, you can show me the
There's
signal
always
center.
one.
10-4. What is Echo 25? What is Echo 25?
5-4.
Good, tough one.
Really? Really? Yeah, we got it. Did you just fall or you were trying to hide from me?
I fell.
Really? That bad, huh?
Yeah.
Do we need a wheelchair for you or
I
you good?
genuinely fell.
Come on, man.
I genuinely fell. Like, if you watch the video, then you see I fell.
Well, I'm glad you got a sense of humor on that. Just take a right over here. Just take a right. Please don't fall.
Whoa!
Alpha 6
Please do not fall, sir, please.
What is Tango 3?
The best thing is, because of this, I can like cancel my ticket and I get my ticket
You could try.
No, it's gonna happen.
Oh, okay. I don't deal with that, so.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go. I only deal with taking people to jail, so let's try not to.
Take me to jail. I tell you to take me to jail. Go on, do it.
Don't. Watch it.
Fuck it, do it. I don't
Watch
give a
it.
fuck.
Go.
I don't give a fuck. Take me to jail now.
Go.
Take me to jail.
Go.
What is Tango
Take me to
3?
jail.
Just don't stop.
Take me to jail. I'm here now. Take me to jail. See what you fucking causing.
Just take a right over here on at the end.
I'll do what the fuck I want.
Just take a right.
Oh, right? Right? You say right? Oh, right. Okay.
Tail 4-3.
You're a fucking pathetic, wimp, fucking shit country. And I don't give a fuck about any of you, okay? You're pathetic. You're actually pathetic.
What is the Echo
Come
Unit
on,
429
fucking
Bravo,
say what you want to
575
me.
on
You're
River Drive.
pathetic.
Fair winds, credit union.
Woo!
Echo 26. I'll be JB for Saturday.
Yeah.
Echo 26, 5875 on Palmer Drive, cross streets of Villa Strada.
Hey!
The 29 Bravo at Fairwind Credit Union is a silent holdup. Taylor, number 3. Best is trying to best is calling inside at this time, because there's no unit.
Copy, the door flat. This is my cell phone, 31.
Let me explain something to you. Let me explain something. There's something called disorderly intoxication. I already have enough to take you. So don't make me happy. Turn around and take the way right there.
Fucking take me.
Turn around.
Take me.
Turn around.
Take me.
Turn around.
I don't care. Take me.
They haven't canceled yet. They were going to call us to try to cancel it.
I'm not scared. Take me. I don't even care.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay.
Enough.
Okay.
Enough.
Headquarters out of
Guys, look at this! Look at this!
Danny, call it in.
Look at it! Look at what's going on!
Oscar 440, 44, bus loop.
I ain't scared.
Volcano Bay bus loop.
You can do what you want.
Call it in.
Signal 44 for Oscar 440. Volcano Bay,
No, fucking get my phone.
South Loop,
It's not gonna go anywhere.
primary throwaway.
Can I just say you broke my phone? You broke my fucking glasses?
You're going for disorderly intoxication, sir.
Yeah, okay. Let's fucking try that. Yeah. Let's fucking try that. Look at you fucking jerk.
Danny is around 2 Oscar.
Put your hands back now.
Fucking jerk.
Put your hands back.
They fucking tell
Put your hands back.
You broke my fucking glasses. There's fucking nothing to you. There's fucking nothing to you, Vilka. What are you thinking?
23. It's not going to be happy. It's not going to be good, man.
Oh, you fucking think I'm gonna get on this?
Do we have OPD on property?
I'm here.
440 so
We
far.
have 25, we're trying to check the first second.
Oh, no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I'm gonna break your fucking wrist in a minute, dude.
No, I'm not fucking breaking.
That's okay.
See what fucking happens.
I'm gonna taste you.
Good, tasty.
Get back, back.
I'm gonna taste you. You better stop moving.
You'll
You know what
stop.
tasting is?
You'll stop.
You know what tasting is?
You're gonna get it in a second. Put your arms behind
I'm
your
about
back.
to taste one.
Put your arm behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
you've got
taste.
no authority to do that. Put your arm.
Sir, please put back your hands
I'm
now.
not doing anything.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna taste
I'm not
you.
doing anything.
Put your
Put your hands in the back.
Look at me.
Put your hands in the back.
back.
Am I doing anything right now? Put your hands behind your back. Am I doing anything?
Yeah. You're resisting. That's what you're doing.
No, I'm just trying to get my voice back.
You're gonna get nothing back right now.
Oh, my suit.
Sir, the other hand now, please.
Hold on.
Let me get that one on. All right, now you put your other hand behind your back.
Headquarters out
Do it now, dude.
40 so far.
Do it now. Do it now.
Oh, my suit.
I'm basically trying to rest on one. Hold on.
Now.
Oh, my suit. I'm not
Now.
trying to do anything.
Now. Put your hands back now.
Oh,
Hand behind your back.
Now. Yeah, put your hand behind your back. Now.
Hold on. It bends this way. It bends this way.
I can't do it
Now.
You have to help me.
There you go.
Finally.
Finally.
On the South Loop,
You can't help me.
north side of the park.
I didn't want to taste them.
Yeah, you can't help. You can't speak to me.
Give it to me, I'll taste it. I don't mind.
All right. Oscar for 40. I got one secure.
I'm fine.
All you're trying to do is this.
So far, how it comes.
But I can't. I bend my arm around my back the wrong way. Can I?
I only need, I guess, 2 units.
Alright.
10-4, units are around.
I can't wait till I put this on the. I hope you don't like tourism, yeah? You like tourism? You like money coming in?
You think you're tough, but you're not that tough, Barney.
No. I don't give. I don't give a fuck. All I can say to you is, you want tourism? This is not the way to get it.
You can slow down your units.
Yeah, those. Put them over here so you see.
Yeah, I kind of like.
Dude, I took a guy down once and that's what I did. I ripped him.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that's what for.
That's it.
I'm very happy to hear you fucking worry. You want to fucking take a few shots?
No, I didn't have to get like that just to get you down.
No.
Before break me, show me out with
Crazy.
2-8.
I ain't even fucking resisting this or anything. It's quite easy.
Foxtrot 2-4. On patrol
I
west.
never fucking do anything.
Can they get into the bus loop? 26.
Don't you fucking worry. Don't you fucking worry. Whoa!
Stop!
Whoa!
Stop!
You know what? Fucking that's
Dude,
it.
dude!
Let's do the fucking taser. Let's fucking do it.
Stop!
No, let's fucking do it.
Stop!
No, let's fucking do it.
Stop!
You got my face type face down in the
Stop!
fucking
Stop acting like a fool, man. Come
thing. You
on.
think it's appropriate, yeah?
Come on, stop acting like a
I'm
fool.
fucking British. you
Stop! Stop!
cunt. We don't fucking set this shit.
38, we got a couple units at the bus loop, parking out of Volcano Bay. Is that where you need it?
I don't give a fuck.
We are right in front of it. The beginning of the line.
You fucking do what you fucking want. I don't care. You keep me out of the country, I don't care. You realize I could fucking right
Okay,
now.
sir, that's enough.
Are you in the parking garage or on the Volcano Bay
I'll
side?
fucking take you out, yeah?
Stop punching me! Stop pinching me! I'm at Volcano Bay. Now you just got a battery law enforcement officer.
Are you actually on the bus loop or are you up here about to check it?
Bus loop.
You know what's like right now? I'm bleeding, yeah? I can't
Almost
breathe.
97.
I can't fucking breathe. I can't breathe.
Well, if you stop acting like a fool, then I can get up from you.
Okay, I'll stop acting. I'll stop acting, yeah?
I didn't tell 399.
You ready to call 399? Listen to me, I'll cooperate, okay? Just take it off and I'll cooperate. Okay? You listening? Right now, I'm listening, I'm
Have
talking
one
to
of the
you.
officers like try to get water for OPD.
I can't breathe, okay?
Okay.
I can't fucking breathe.
They're on the way.
Thank you.
If you start acting like a fool and get on it.
I'm not gonna do anything. I can't breathe.
Fair unit 1012 with Oscar 440.
Bus gone. Where is that come from? Sorry, OPD hub.
There's not enough room for them to bypass each other.
Oh, I've seen trucks sitting in there that doesn't go around.
I'm just gonna sit him up. All right, you ready to sit up?
Yeah, I'll do whatever. Okay, just let me do it.
No, you're gonna stay right there.
I will do whatever you say.
Stay right
but
there.
Don't hurt me, okay?
I think
Are you inside the park?
No.
I'll do whatever you want. Just don't hurt me, okay?
722 1012.
That's 10-4.
My shoes are there, yeah? I'm really hurt right now.
I think I'll rip off.
Golf 24 and 1012, we're going to be at the bus loop.
Any medical? Probably. Yes, I'll get him once we get him in the car.
Delta 410.
We'll deal with that. Let's put him in the car. No, come on.
I'll do whatever you want, yeah?
Put him in the car. We got it. All right. Thanks.
This is your stand up and say, all right?
Yeah. I can't.
Terry, don't worry about him. Not me and OPD.
Oscar 440 on 24. I got enough units. Thank you.
I'm fine. It's just him and I got our needs.
For units not 97, can slow your response. That's what to cancel the 44.
Yeah, go ahead, cancel 44. Probably gonna have the OFD. I think I tore my bicep, and gonna get a supervisor for a use of force. I guess he scraped his knees going down.
Most important, you said that you need to work people.
I just OFD used to check my bicep.
That's
Bicep
10-4.
hurt. I'm sorry, man.
Oscar 371, you advise you en route.
Something happened with my bicep. I don't know.
10-4.
That's why I let him go, because
Is
when
there
I
a
saw my
use of force?
Who's it calling?
Yeah.
That's 20 Alpha, 97.
That's one.
¿Cómo hace? ¿Dice?
27, I'm 97.
Huh? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Volcano Bay.
And he needs one too, and the book left me. Control.
Ah, yeah, thanks.
Bravo, yeah.
And he started moving stuff around. And I go, bro, I got enough to take you to jail for disorderly intoxication. Take me to jail, take me to jail. I said, you know, I'm not going to deal with this. So I went to go and the fight was on. The fight was on. He's a big dude.
Make sure we follow.
So look,
We'll go back to the office.
I don't know what I did to my...
Everything will be.
Yeah, I don't know what I did to that, bro, but it feels weird. Well, I'm good. I'm just going to need a
Make sure they know
computer to start doing my stuff.
The bus loop on the south side.
Yeah, we're gonna do OPD. We're gonna go back to the office.
Disorderly
75 advises the bus
and I got him for battering law enforcement. He pinched me my belly as I was on top of him.
There's more on the north side.
Resisting with battery Leo and disorderly intoxication.
When you have to have a better way to call you guys.
It's 1039 OFD.
Is it costing you anything to walk?
No, I'm good.
Is it okay for concentration on it?
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm good. I think I just...
Dude, I was in IOA, but it takes forever. I gotta run through the park, run to my car.
I know. We're good. I was able...
What's the quickest way to get here? You gotta go through the garage, right? And come around?
I guess it's the best way.
I don't know how else to fucking go.
Or get out completely.
Oh, you know what? You just come through the hotels.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I think so. Thank you.
1066 144 on Patrol West. Early emergency, search and fix one.
Yeah, well, actually, I got my bicep.
474.
Hey James, I'm the supervisor here for Orlando Police Department for today. Did you want to talk to me about what's going on?
Yeah, I wasn't trying to cause any trouble with anyone.
Okay, can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, I was escorted out the park, and I was going out the park quite happily.
Do you remember what you were escorted out of the park for?
Yeah, because apparently there was like another guest that I bumped into and they weren't happy.
So did they ask you to leave the park at that point?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I left the park at that point. I was quite happy to leave that park.
Okay.
And I was leaving the park and I was waiting for the bus. And then because I don't know what it was, but for whatever reason they arrested me to the ground.
Okay, do you recall the incident though? Why you got put in handcuffs and what happened?
No.
Okay, so as far as you were concerned, you'd been asked to leave the park. You had no problem with that. You were leaving the park on your own accord.
Yeah, I left the park.
You were walking down here, and you came over here, and this part.
Yeah.
You don't.
I don't know what happened here.
Okay. Is there anything else that you can tell me about? So you don't remember the interaction between you and the officer at all?
No, it all got very violent at that point.
Okay. All right. Do you have any injuries anywhere that we need to be?
My knee is quite badly hurt.
Okay.
And
this right here?
Yeah.
This the right knee?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's been quite a lot of blood on the seat there, but also it kind of hurts.
Okay. Do you mind sticking your leg out for me? Do you mind if I take pictures of it? Is that okay?
That's as far as I can go. I really don't want to cause any trouble for anyone. I was happy to go.
Okay.
If that's what people wanted, I was happy to go.
So you're happy to leave the park, right? But you still don't recall that interaction and why you're here now?
So I was leaving the park and I was here, and then I was maybe a bit cheeky.
Okay, what is that? What does cheeky mean? A little hot-tempered?
See you later, guys.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden I was down on the ground, restrained.
Okay. All right.
But I didn't want to cause anyone any problems.
Okay.
I was already out of the park. I was doing what they wanted, and I wanted to go.
All right. Did you say that there was something else on your hands or your back or anything?
I don't know because I'm in gloves. So.
Here, you can slide out. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Yeah.
Go ahead, turn around. I just want to see if there's anything back here. Okay, you can go ahead and sit back down. Watch yourself, watch yourself.
I just want to go back to my hotel.
This knee here. You can put your legs back out. This leg here, though.
Yeah, I'll do that. I just want to go back to my hotel. I understand that I'm like drunk and I shouldn't be drunk. Okay. I didn't mean to get this drunk.
So, what was it? This morning you started drinking, or?
Yeah, when the hotel, when the
so
park.
you didn't mean to get this intoxicated?
No.
You're just here to have a good time, and then okay. Well, let us do what we got to do. Okay, we're gonna try to get you through this process as quickly as properly and on your way.
I don't want to cause any problems for anyone. I'm sorry.
Take a picture of his face.
I want you to know I'm sorry.
I can if you want.
I'm sorry.